In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your screen using OBS on YouTube. How to stream with OBS on YouTube. Just watch and follow this video till the end. What I have to do first, I will just go to my channel and I will click on Go Live. Next, when I will click on Go Live, I will find this page. I will click on Learn how to use encoders and I will find here this stream key. I will click right now on copy, and when I will click on copy, I will back to OBS and I will go right now to settings, and on settings what I have to do right now, I will click on stream, go to service and change it to YouTube and click use stream key and add your stream key that we copy it from our YouTube. Click Ctrl V and click on apply. So click OK, close these windows. If you want, click OK, go right now. What you have to do, click start streaming. Then you will wait and go right now back to your channel, click on done. And right now, after seconds, you will find here your screen. And we are live right now. As you can see, our screen is shared. So that's all in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.